Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today I bring it you for you all peoples. Very valuable topic, very excellent topic, very demand topic also, and very complicated topic also. Today I'm going to explain here. My intention here, see about the biomedical engineering services purpose. I'm going to give you all informations very important way. Yes, right. So today, what is the important topic? What I want to show you and what I want to covering all topics in this live session. That is cardiology department equipment. That is what cardiology department equipment IABP. Okay, IABP purpose. Every point I bring it for you for every biomedical engineering purpose. I bring it you because of valid experience is very important and valid information is very important. In my live sessions, what I'm going to cover those topics for everyone, for every biomedical engineer. I'm going to dedicate all engineers. Yes, right. Come on, let me introduce. First of all, I'm Ganesh, state regional manager, biomedical engineering services, and I'm operating state level. So that's why I observed and I'm leading and giving instructions to the biomedical engineering. So after done my duty, I come back here to provide the valuable informations. Okay, right. So today, see, actually daily why I'm giving informations, why I fix it, because of, see, every biomedical engineering purpose skill is important, understand. So skill is important and skills are very best point in our career, understand. That's why I have 18 years of experience in multiple designations crossover in different hospitals, corporate hospitals, private hospitals, and government hospitals and government projects, BMMP. So I have experience in different sector. So that's why if I said here proper knowledge, definitely many more engineers can engage and can improve our skills, right? And see, whatever I'm giving in my live sessions, those are things unique way, not possible available in the normal social media. So those things I'm giving because of those are the very demand and very recommended for every biomedical engineer, right? So till now, I have provided the lot of live sessions, hundreds plus live sessions. So keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel. Okay. Today I bring it for you all people. What IABP? Okay. Cardiology Department Equipment IABP Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump. So here I'm going to show you what about the equipment and how look like equipment, what are the parts are there as a biomedical, what are the problems we will face and what are the solutions, and technically what are the things important and internal side of the equipment, what are the things. And see, whatever I'm going to give the presentation, those things depend on, see, as a biomedical engineering services purpose, I'm giving these all informations. Okay. So this medical equipment, what this IABP medical equipment, mostly you may not find out, okay, everywhere. So this is only cardiology department. That is also very corporate hospital because of it is very expensive equipment and it is very excellent also. Okay, what are the points I'm going to show you and what is the definition, what is the working principle, what is the working operation and troubleshootings and so many things. So 100 points I'm going to share with you all and by adding my real-time hospital experiences. Yes, I hope is it clear my voice right now. See, daily I come back here 9 p.m. because of I want to give the valid informations for every biomedical engineer. Every engineer should have a proper knowledge by engage my live sessions. Understand? So basically, I'm not a YouTuber. Everybody knows very well. I know. Yes, basically, I have completed the graduations SSC by PC and special diploma in electronics in biomedical engineering and BTech in biomedical MBA hospital equipment engineering system. Okay, why I'm giving these all informations? Because of these all informations you should know before enter into the topic. Understand? Because of I'm going to give you contribution my valuable time to all peoples and try to listen and try to engage and try to subscribe my channel and see the then complete my advice here. What complete watch my live session until end of the moment. Then if you have any doubt, just give me comment. Let me explain all things what I bring it for you. Now I want to show you all. Okay, right? I hope you are listening right now. Is it clear my voice? Let me continue. My dear students, my dear engineers, my dear staff, and technical engineers and senior biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. I'm talking with you all as a state regional manager. I'm engaging with you all as a senior biomedical engineer. Right? Right. Come on. So let's enter into the topic. I want to say that is the topic. See, my way of presentation, my way of informations, how look like and how appearance every day, every video you are observing my live sessions. Yes. So whoever engage my live sessions definitely will be happy. And whatever your expectations from my YouTube channel and like biomedical engineer channel, what you're expecting, give me comment in my live sessions. Okay. Right. have a bright future. Come on and be courage and be okay interest and try to come what I'm showing you, right? Come on, keep smile on your face because a smile is giving you energy, right? Right, come on, I want to show you right now what I bring it for you. Right, see this will right now, my dear engineers. Now today our content, what I'm going to give the explanation. See here, first of all, see what I'm going to show you. First of all, see it here. Today what we are going to discuss and what are the valid points I'm going to discuss, and lot of informations I bring it for you. Whoever engaged, please subscribe my channel. See this live session going to record in my YouTube channel, and it is anyone anywhere can watch my live session. That's why I'm going to say, and I'm going to give the presentation very excellent way, right? And I'm going to give the presentation very excellent way, right? And I'm going to right, resound coming. Okay, right, come, let me start now. First of all, see this my thumbnail. Today I have selected this topic because of every topic I'm going to give you explanation in this may live sessions after done my duty, right? Yes, so that's why see here, please be careful and try to listen and keep your mobile mute, and please try to listen, and because of you are the listener, I am the speaker. What I'm giving, I'm instructions, definitely in future it is very very useful to you in your life. Okay, right, come on. So it is visible right now, my dear engineers. This is my content today. What I bring it for you for the topic I'm going to show you right now. See here, live today, date 11/7/2026, 9 p.m. IST, IABP. Okay, Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump and Complete Biomedical Engineers Masterclass. After completion of this end session, then you come to know what is the masterclass, what are the topics covered. And see here I'm talking about the IABP mission. IABP mission, I'm not talking about any company, make, model, serial number, whatever it is. So universal, what is the IABP and what are the things, and these are things I'm going to say. And next live sessions, I will give you make model basis, I will give the explanations, and next live sessions I will prepare. Okay, right, come on. Now here I want to show you, see here, what are the things I'm going to cover here in this live session. Internal parts and electrical and electronics and working principle and the helium gas system and parameters and waveforms and alarms, errors and preventive maintenance and troubleshooting and safety precautions and interview questions. See here, these are the things for biomedical engineering purpose. What are the things important to survive long time? Because of if you are working as a biomedical engineer in hospitals, there you have to manage all things. That's why basic things, if you know, then you can resolve the issues, and there are many chances to survive your job, right? Right, come on. So I hope you are visiting right now. See, this is our topic, right? First of all, see here, next we will go enter into the topic right now. Yes, come on, my dear engineers, listen to carefully and be focused, because of this session is very very important. This is unique topic, and I'm going to cover every day, every live sessions, multiple equipments I'm going to cover in my live sessions, very explanations. And after watch my live sessions, if you have any doubt, just give me comment in a positive way, because of everyone, we are learners and we should learn and we should improve our skills, right? Here my intention in this live session, I'm going to give you many multiple skills about this IABP equipment and technical skills, and what are the things as a biomedical you have to focus. Those things I'm going to show you, because of these are the, if you when I was a biomedical engineering time, then what I faced and what are the things important, multiple years of experience in my life, right? So that's why what's I have in my experience life, those are things, valid points I'm going to share here. This valid point, definitely it is very very useful in your life, right? Come to the point right now. Now we will go slowly. See here, this is the IABP. Now enter into the topic right now. Come on, one by one. See, these all points I'm going to explain, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you explanation proper way, right? By adding proper explanation and everything, slowly I will go, and every point I'm going to read and try to listen and try to engage my live sessions, right? Is it clear, my voice? Right, thank you. Let me continue right now. See here, first of all, see these all topics I'm going to show you, because of valid points only I'm going to discuss here, right? See, these all points I'm going to show you. First of all, look like equipment, because of many engineers may not have any idea about this equipment, that is IABP. Even senior engineers also may not have any idea. I hope because of this is the unique equipment. This equipment very critical equipment, and it is very dedicated for what? Where cardiology department, where cath lab and cardiac ICU, they're only available. Whenever engineer working in hospital long time, then only you can understand and they can understand the concept, then only can get the points, right? Right, come on, come with me right now. I want to show you IABP equipment with label part. See here, first of all I want to show you right now. First of all, keep watch my session right now, please, carefully, because of see here I am not mention any companies make model. Okay, this is the completely I took a like IABP mission. I will show the what are the parts are there, everything I will show you. Let me engage right now, let me explain all things. Now see here, if you see like that, see IABP equipment how look like, see label parts. So many engineers I'm going to dedicate this live session, it is very useful. Come on and see every parts labeled here, and label parts I'm going to read and I'm going to show here. See, if you take any model, these are the things, basic things, and what I'm sharing here, these are the very common informations about the IABP. Now see here, come on, I'm going to zoom here. See, this is the display screen, and see, and control panel system, see here. Next what? Alarm indicator. Okay, next helium connection port. Next, see pressure transducer connection. See here, you focus only for IABP mission. Okay, because of whatever I'm saying, listen to carefully and try to get it all things, and these are the informative skill live session, right? See here, ECG cable connections and power connections, power switch and pump unit. Okay, when you see the equipment, then first of all you have to catch these all points, and every pin to pin I'm going to show you, and every point I'm going to show and explain all things. Okay, today our live session, how much time? 1 to 2 hours. It will be taken 9 to 11. Right, come on. This is the equipment part outside only, and so many parts are there. I will show you right one by one. First of all, this equipment parts are here. Okay. Next, for this equipment purpose, catheter is very important. This catheter, see here, balloon, and see radio opaque marker and catheter shaft and helium inflation lumen and proximal port. Okay, just try to get it all things what I'm saying, right? First of all, now this is the equipment how look like IABP cardiac medical equipment. If you are zero also, no problem. If you engage my live sessions, definitely will get a great skills about the medical equipment, right? Come on, now see here, this is the IABP and what are the parts you see here. Next, come here, what is the IABP, right? Come on, one by one we will go. Basic things I will not miss anyone in live sessions. Okay. Now, what is IABP medical equipment? See, let me say what is the definition of that. Simple way you have to listen and you have to keep in your mind, because of if I am giving this in this way presentation. See, if you watch my presentation, you will get a more information. If you listen my voice, you will get a senior experience, right? Come on. So, what is the definition of the IABP? Intra-aortic full form pump is a mechanical circulatory support device that improves cardiac output and coronary perfusion by inflating and deflating a balloon in the descending thoracic aorta synchronized with the cycle, cardiac cycle. Okay, this is the small definition, but it's very important, and try to keep in your mind. Simple way, try to keep in your mind, because of whenever you face the interview time, these all things very important, because of depend on your category, it is very useful. That's why what I'm giving information, try to keep in your mind and try to listen very carefully right now. Okay, now I'm going to finish this one, what definition of the IABP. Next, come here, and valid points I'm going to share here. Listen to carefully, because of as a biomedical engineer, very important points. After you getting experience, you will get a more skills. That time so many delay will happen. That's why today if I give the live session without time waste, you can concentrate on my live sessions, you will get a more information. Okay, right, come to the point right now. Purpose of equipment, see here. So purpose of IABP. What is the purpose of IABP? As a biomedical engineer, we should know very well. Okay, we should be perfect all things by listening, by doing, by practical, by technical way. Come to the point right now, one by one. See, purpose of equipment. Listen to carefully, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. Increase coronary artery perfusion and decrease after load, reduce cardiac workload and improve cardiac output and stabilize hemodynamics in critical patients and bridge to survive for recovery. Okay, these are all things why, because of our heart related. Okay, cardiac related only. Whenever you have a heart issues like heartbreak and whatever it is, different types of issues we have as a human being. So for our, this is equipment dedicated for what? Cardiology, means related to our heart. Okay, so that is the thing why these are the functions or purpose of equipment to protect the human body. Right, now come here. Working principle, see here. See, if you are a new person in this type, after you complete your diploma or BTech, whatever it is, in this way, presentation is very, very important. That's why after your college, you have to go to the college and you have to give the presentation, industrial training. Okay, but that type of sessions, it should be there in entry of the job life. So those are things not available because of today we are facing in the competitive society. That's why I'm giving here as a senior experienced engineer, and my information definitely somewhere it is very, very useful in your biomedical engineering services. Okay, now come here. Working principle of the IABP, right? Try to get it all points what I'm saying. And see here, working principle, see here, what is what? Inflation during diastole increases aortic and diastole pressure, improves coronary blood flow. Okay, see our body, see our heart, how function we know very well, yes or no? Contraction and relaxation, yes. So contraction and relaxation, here what? Diastole and systole. Okay, so those inflation during diastole increases aortic and diastolic pressure, improves coronary blood flow. Okay, this is the working principle. See, when I'm saying, you may not understand easily because of these are the practical things. When you face in a practical way, then only you come to understand very clearly. But for your knowledge purpose, what is IABP and everything, I'm going to try to give you information because of you should be clarity about as a biomedical engineer. Okay, so these all things you have to keep in your mind when you are studying time. Then only you have to be perfect when you are studying time. These all topics will come into your subjects. Right, now deflation, see here. Deflation principle, what? Deflation just before systole. Okay, reduce afterload, decreases LV workload and oxygen demand. Okay, these are the very, very important. See, these are the 2 points only. One is inflation point, one is deflation point. Okay, so this is the working principle, how look like and how working everything I will tell you, I will show you right now. Please try to engage and try to subscribe my channel right now. Okay, now fourth point, see here, working operations. Understand, see here what I'm giving informations, they here the technician will be there, IABP technician will be there. That person have to handle all time. Understand, but as a biomedical engineer you should know all things better than the technician, right? That's why I'm saying I'm giving informations in my live presentation. I hope you are listening right now. Yes, come on. And working principle of, see, IABP, Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump mission, see here, that is cardiology department equipment. Now I'm going to say working operation number 1 point, see here. Is it clear my voice? Right, come on. I'm showing you and I'm trying to give you a more explanation through my experience life. Now come on, working operation, how to do. ECG or pressure waveform is sensed by the console. Okay, first point. And second point, balloon inflates in diastole after aortic valve closes, and balloon deflates just before systole, before aortic valve opens. The cycle repeats 1:1 with every heartbeat. Okay, so try to note down in your book. These are the working principles. See, in our biomedical engineering career, proper notes is important, proper guidance is important, and proper approaching resources is very, very important. Okay, and proper performance also very, very important to give the best in a leader in biomedical engineering. Okay, right? Come on. So till now, these are points I have explained. I have shown you and I explained. Now come here, my dear engineers. Workflow. These are the very, very important. See what I bring it for you, all engineers. What I'm saying, those things, proper notes I'm giving. Okay. If you, whenever you are facing interviews and if you want to become a biomedical engineer, if you want to focus on biomedical engineer, if you follow my channel, then what happen? You will get a great support. If you're not available in my channel, then give me comment in my YouTube session. Okay. I will be respond in that way. Right. Come on, come to the point right now. Workflow of the IABP. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. Workflow, what? Patient selection first of all, and insertion of catheter. See, this catheter inserter purpose, not normal person, not possible. Only skilled engineer, skilled technician will be there. Okay. For IABP, technician is separately available in hospitals. Those persons only have to take care because of it is very skillful work, right? And see here, insertion of catheter, position, confirmation, X-ray, and connection to IABP console. Okay, here I'm going to say what? Workflow. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And IABP console C. Next, ECG pressure trigger set and starter support and continuous monitoring and weaning removal. See, these are all things, everything monitored by the doctor and specialist and anesthesiologist and technician also available near the hospital, near the patient. Because of these all things, see, direct open surgery type, that type of situation, live observation is going inside of the patient, right? That's why what I'm giving, these are the workflow. These all things, when you when you stand in front of the equipment, then you may not understand. So that's why if I give the instructions, then you remember when you go, when you presence in front of the IABP in your hospital, then you come to know and you will remember my live sessions, right? Come on. This is the third point what I have explained you, workflow. So if you are a biomedical engineer, you have to focus step 1, step 2, step 3, like that. Every stage you have to cross, and the learning process is very, very important. Then only you will become a individual biomedical engineer, right? Okay. Now see third point coming next, fourth point also successfully see here next. Every point wise I have given for you all people because of try to make you understand purpose. Okay. Next see here, workflow completed. Next these all points I'm going to show you for you all peoples, right? Now come here. At what situation, see, point wise I am giving priority, means those are things very, very important as a biomedical engineer. Okay. Now come here, I'm going to zoom here. I want to show you what I collected for you points. At what situations use this equipment? Okay. Every biomedical engineer, very, very important. Listen to carefully. At what situations use this equipment, sir? If you question. Okay. So cardiogenic shock situation and acute myocardial infarction with complications and high risk PCI and angioplasty and low cardiac output syndrome and bridge to cardiac surgery and failure to wean from cardiopulmonary bypass. Okay, at this situation, this equipment is going to connect the patient, okay, to find out the issues and to give the treatment and to maintain the heartbeat and everything purpose. This is going to connect the patient by with the advices of the doctor. Okay, not an easy, and nobody allow here. Okay, so these are at what situations is this equipment? Biomedical engineers, see, these all questions definitely interview time and giving user training time. These are the very, very important points I'm going to explain here, right? I hope you got it. Now come here. Actually in front of the mission not possible because of in hospital area we are busy, so that's why not possible to share all things, and that is a restricted area. And in hospital time we cannot explain all things because of we should be a professionality and we should take care about the healthcare services. Okay, that's why we should not do entertainment. That's why I am also, see, I have done my duty and I come back here now. It's my personal life. Now I am engaging here in my live sessions. Okay, right. Here my intention, what, why I'm giving, if you know these all points, you will be safe at critical situation. That is my intention. Okay, right. Come on. Now I want to show you here main parts and functions. I want to tell you right now. See, so every point whatever I'm saying, please try to listen. Okay. Now see here, parts and main parts and functions. What are the things I'm going to show you and I'm going to read? Please try to take it positive and try to listen all things and try to engage right now. Okay. Let me continue. Keep watch my live sessions. And IABP consoles here. It's the part, see here. IABP console what? Controls inflation, deflation, monitor, alarms and operations. Okay. Now what am I explaining? Main parts and operations. These are the very, very important. If you want to become a specialist in IABP, you need a 1 to 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years dedication. Very, very important. Okay. So these are the what I'm giving information. These are the basic informations and basic problems what we found, and these all things as a biomedical engineer. Very, very important. Okay. Right. Come on. And balloon catheter, see here, inflates, deflates in aorta. Okay. So aorta means we know vein, aorta we have studied about in heart. Okay. That's why I'm saying cardiology equipment, right? And helium gas cylinder, see here. Helium gas cylinder, where this is the helium cylinder. Okay. See, different companies, different cylinders available, but this is the gas helium cylinder backside available. Understand? I will show you in this live session only. Complete opening the equipment, then how look like everything I will tell you, and there will be many topics I'm going to share here. Right? Come on. Let me show you first of all. See here. Here, see, see helium part. See, Helium gas cylinder provides helium gas for balloon inflation. Okay. Next, listen to carefully. ECG cable what? Senses ECG for timing. Next, see here pressure transducer. Senses arterial pressure for timing and display. Control unit, see here shows parameters, waveforms and settings. See here every point try to listen what I'm giving information. It is going to record in my live sessions right now. Come on. And display and control panel and source parameters, waveforms and settings, and allow system alerts for faults and patient safety, and power supply and batteries here provide AC power and backup. Okay, so every biomedical engineer should have idea, because you don't get panic and try to get it all things. That's why for your confirmation and clarity purpose, be confident purpose, I'm giving all informations. Okay, right, see, and see power supply and battery, right? Next, trolley mobility and equipment support. Okay, trolley is where this is the trolley, right? So mobility purpose, these are the main parts. Because of emergency case system, then we have to shift the equipment. Then what? Then trolley is very very important to move from one place to another place, right? Okay. Now come here. One more point, valuable point. I'm going to show you right now. See here. Why need skilled person to handle the equipment? Okay. These all points very very important. Listen to carefully. And why need skilled person to handle IABP equipment? Because see, correct timing is critical for patient safety. Note down. Okay. Next, second point is improper use can cause serious complications, bleeding, ischemia, and aortic and rupture, and need knowledge of hemodynamics and alarms, and proper insertion and positioning is essential, and emergency troubleshooting is required. Okay. Because of see, biomedical engineering is the great responsibility job. Okay. So because of we are provide the healthcare services, for that purpose, these all things every engineer should have skills. Because of in hospital recommended skilled engineer only recommended. So skills are important. That's why I'm giving live sessions in my presentation. Okay, right? Come on. So these all things, see, I'm giving these all informations means what? I'm giving presentation means that these are the theoretical part, but we need practical. If you question, okay, those things, see, these all things practical only when you are facing, when you are getting experience in a practical way. Those things, I want to give you all information. That's why I prepared like this presentation. Okay, right? Come on. Now see, if connected to the patient, how much time can be connected? Okay, it's very very important. These are the very very important. The technicians should be awareness about this medical equipment. Okay, that's why user training time, what are the important points? See, I'm giving 1 to 2 hours live sessions about the medical equipment, but to provide the user training purpose, that much time you may not have in your work area. Yes. So that time what happened, you have to collect what I'm giving instructions there, 10 points, select it, and for regular purpose, what is the uses and what are the things, what are the precautions, you have to explain by using our user training to the hospital, right? Right. That is the great responsibility of the biomedical engineer. Let me continue right now. If connected to the patient, how much time can be connected? This is the question. Okay. This question have to rise in your mind, every engineer. Okay. So those question purpose, I bring it for you valid answers here. IABP is a temporary support device. It can be used for hours to days or even weeks, depending on patient condition and indication. There is no fixed maximum time. Continuous evaluation is required. Long-term use increases risk of complications. Okay, that means see, until recover the patient condition, that time we can use. No minimum and maximum time not mentioned here. Okay, but here we have to observe while connecting continuously what problem will come and what problem have to face and what are the situations we will face. As a biomedical engineer, I am giving you in this live sessions. Okay, right? So for this purpose, see, no limit time, no variations. Understand? So up to patient recovery time, then we can connect the patient. That is like that is the critical equipment like ventilators, everything. That is also not limited time. If patient is critical, then definitely we should connect the patient, because of we have to monitoring and we have to provide the treatment and proper measurements, whatever requirement for the patient recovery. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me continue. Yes, now we are discussing about the IABP medical equipment, that is cardiology department. Okay, now come here. So whatever I'm saying, please try to catch all things one by one, because of it. Try to be a mature to mind and try to get it all things and try to use my live sessions in a proper way. Right? Come on. Now see here, alarms and errors and explanations. See here, these are the very very important, because of, see, as a biomedical engineer we are doing in hospital, okay, but within fraction of seconds we have to check it, and by using the, by seeing the alarms we can give the solution, okay. That much capability we should have, because of within fraction of seconds, within fraction of moments, patient will be critical, okay. Patient almost critical when connected the IABP, then almost critical person, that is under depend on the medical equipment, okay. But if you delay, then what will happen, that proper measurement will be different, and proper treatment also will not reach the patient, right. It come to the point now, what I'm going to say, very valid point I'm going to show you. See here, alarms and errors and explanation, what are the things and what causes, I will tell you right now. See here, see my presentation right now, IABP presentation, because of, see, as a knowledge purpose is very very important, try to engage, and what I'm giving informations, okay, right. Come on, let me read out now. First of all, see, alarm or error, what the causes and what it means and actions, okay. Problem coming and why coming and what are the solutions, that is the very very important, because of, as a biomedical engineer we are the service providers, definitely at the end of the day we have to diagnose the issues and resolve the issues, and at the end of the day working condition we have to give the patient, okay. Now see here, in this IABP mission, alarms what, high pressure will come, okay. If alarm high pressure will come, then what causes, after load, higher inflation, problem and kinked catheter, okay. Kinked catheter means not damaged. That catheter also very too much high price, expensive also. That's why skilled engineer is important, and proper handling the equipment is very very important in critical situations. Yes, so that's why try to attack right and try to catch the point, as a try to be a skilled engineer, right. Now high pressure, what, this is the skanking catheter, then what will do, check BP catheter and position helium patient, okay. This is the solution, what to do if any problem we face, and these all things biomedical engineer not doing, okay. Their catheter purpose, their IABP technician will be there, cardiology technician will be there, he will do, or she will do, they will do, okay. Biomedical engineering engineers are not doing, but whenever you have a problem, then you should know, otherwise patient is going to die, understand. And don't entertainment here, because of this is the very risky and very challengeable area, okay. Now see here, high pressure, next low pressure comes here. How comes here, low pressure means what, leak deflation problem and low helium, and check for leak helium level connection. See, if you observe very clearly in IABP mission, deflation, inflation, okay, these are the 2 points only working principle. Yes, so for that purpose only alarm will come, that purpose only function is going to apply to the patient, okay. Now see here, ECG fail, then poor ECG signal, check ECG lead cable and patient connection, okay. Next see here, low helium, low helium means, see, helium cylinder load, see, when you connected the IABP mission, then please keep standby cylinders, okay, beside you. Before taking patient, you should be alert. If not available as a biomedical engineer, you have to inform to the department of the HOD, okay, because of it's very very important, because of at any situations cylinder will be low, okay. Continuous using means, that is the reason you should be careful. So that's why when you connect the helium like IABP, then you have to helium gas also cylinder beside you standby, one or two is very very important, that depend on condition of the patient, right. Now see here, battery loss here, battery discharge and connect AC charge battery, this is the, as a biomedical engineer we know very well, for all medical equipment this is common thing. And system failure, see, internal system error, restarts check system and call service. See, this situation, when connect the patient, then we should not do anything by connecting, by conversation with doctor, we have to take decision, okay. We should not take direct decision, because the patient is going to die by wrong handling anything, okay. That's why we should be careful. They're not maximum not allowed, the normal people, restricted area they're only allowed, restriction what, technical biomedical engineer and doctors and next cardio cath lab specialist, those persons only visibility, okay. Next, catheter leaks here, balloon or catheter leak, and check, see, problem word, catheter leak, okay. Causes what will be there, balloon or catheter leak, then what to do, check catheter, replace if needed, okay, because of it is very very expensive. Simply if you're not proper on checking then if you decide to need to replace, then it is very expensive, it is going to give the charges. Now trigger errors here, timing issue and adjustment trigger mode and check signal. See here what I'm going to show you, because of this is the IABP equipment purpose, these are the alarms, and because of see what are the alarms, by checking, by attending, then IABP equipment you can get it all things, right? So these are the explanation, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Now see here, next point we'll go. Now troubleshooting, see here, troubleshooting very very important, troubleshooting of the IABP. See here, see, as a biomedical engineer, you have to follow these all instructions, because of see these all live session. It is masterclass. Why I'm saying these all things, multiple types of experience time. We will get a more information about this equipment. Okay, so different types. We will get a complaint from the hospital. Different types complaints from received from the cath lab and cardiology. So then these are the problems. Okay. Now let me say what was the troubleshooting. See here, what are the troubleshootings of the IABP? See here, troubleshooting means what? Problem. Okay, problems. What are the problems? No augmentation, low augmentation. These are the what? ECG related. Okay, timing error and ECG trigger failure and pressure trigger failure and balloon leak and helium leak and high pressure alarm and low pressure alarm. Okay, these are the points. Because of see, if you know these all things, then you will become alert. Okay, now come here. I will show you right now. See here. If not working, what to check it? As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully what I'm saying. If not working equipment, that is cardiology medical equipment, IABP equipment, then if not working, what to do, what not to do, because of as a biomedical engineer, one of the experience I faced in my life, those things I am sharing here, right? Right, come on. Because of whenever get a problem, we cannot imagination. Whenever you have to face, you also not imagine. That's why try to learn all things and try to be perfect all things whenever it is possible. Whenever you get a great opportunity, then these are things very very important. Okay, now come here. If not working, what to check it? Okay, in IABP mission, that is cardiology department equipment. See here, if not working, number one point, if you take, see, power supply and connections, if not working. Okay, first of all you have to check it all things, and depend on complaint you have to focus without waste of time. And see here, helium cylinder pressure and all tubing connections leaks and kinks, and ECG cable and signal quality. And next fifth point, see here, if not working time, you have to check it all things one by one. And see, ECG cable and signal quality and pressure transducer and leveling and catheter position, X-ray and alarm settings, battery status and system reset if required. Okay, these all things, see, before touching all things equipment, when you get a complaint from the hospital, then you should observe all area. How is the patient condition and saturation? How come ECG? How come? And these all things you have to check the all patient data. Then only you have to touch the equipment. Otherwise, don't touch the equipment. Okay, it is very very dangerous and it is very very sensitive area. Okay, that's why what I'm giving instructions, please try to take it positive. And these all things, see, my live sessions, my engaging, my biomedical engineering instructions, everything to dedicated to all biomedical engineers. As a biomedical engineers, what are the things you are facing? Those things I'm going to give you here live sessions. Okay, now come here. Now what are the precautions? See here. So till now what I explained, if not working, then what to check the IABP equipment. And this next, see here, it is visible right now. Yes, come on. Now precautions, see here, this is the precaution. See, so precautions, what? Verify catheter position before start. Okay, so simply when you connect the patient, okay, the technician will connect the patient, then the doctor will be also there. That time a biomedical engineer will not be there because of no need. But sometimes if anything, if any junior engineer will be there, junior doctor will be there, then they will call us. Definitely we will be there and we have to support them, right? Right, come on. Now see here, what I have to take precautions. Verify catheter position before start, because sometimes damage also after connect the equipment. Then if you get a problem, what will do? So that's why have to check it all things before do the work once and twice. You have to check it all things. Okay, now see here, use correct size catheter and monitor distal pulses and limb perfusion and maintain anticoagulation as per protocol, and watch for bleeding complications and maintain aseptic technique and continuous monitoring of vitals and alarms. Okay, see, Here I am giving all informations and reading because of these all things pin to pin. You have to be a perfect. That's my intention. Because of I don't want to give you wrong information, but that's the reason I'm giving showing you and giving a presentation in my live lessons. Okay, these are the precautions what have to take. Okay, these are the things. Please note down and keep in your mind right now. Okay, right, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. These all things. See, so these all topics I have explained. Now let me enter one more topic. See. Now see which is the department. Almost see this regarding this what department: cardiology, cardiac ICU, cath lab, and cardiothoracic and surgery and emergency. Okay, in this area, this IABP equipment available. Okay, so maximum engineers may not have an idea about this equipment because of this type of equipment not available, and district hospital and like PSC, CSC hospital also not available. You will get this type of equipment that is corporate hospital, otherwise private hospitals. Okay, government hospital very rare. It will be there, but very rare equipment. Okay, because of very rare district hospital only available. So when you come to know the department, see what are the in which department this equipment available: cardiology, cardiac ICU, and cath lab, and cardiac thoracic, and see surgery and emergency. Okay, and see equipment type. See here, mechanical circulatory support device. Okay, what is the equipment type? What's our IABP means? If you question this type of question, ask in interviews. Okay, now mechanical circulatory support device and temporary cardiac assist device. Okay, these are the two types that is very important. Try to keep in your mind, right? So what till now these all things I have explained. Now remaining topics I am going to show you and I am going to tell you, and many topics I am going to give the presentation here. See. So multiple times if you watch my session, definitely will get a points. Whoever interested, definitely it is very valuable information so far biomedical engineering, right? Now come here. Regular problems I am going to show you right now. See. See here, only important and practical topics only I'm going to discuss here. So in my presentation, these are the valuable informations, very important to every biomedical engineers, right? Come on, try to engage right now. And what are the regular problems? See here. In IABP, okay, in IABP medical equipment, that is cardiology, there what are the problems come? Okay, you see, these are the regular problems. These are the regular problems that whenever getting complaint daily basis or alternate basis, we face the problem. Then what are the things are there? What problems will be there? I'm going to read out and then let me say right now. Okay. Now see a regular problems here. Number 1 point, poor augmentation, regular problem, and timing issues, and catheter kinking, and helium leak, and pressure signal dampening, and battery drain, alarm false triggering. Okay, these are the regular problems, and mostly it will operate by the technician. So maximum problem resolved by the technician. Still, if it is not working, then they will depend on biomedical engineers. That is, we are biomedical engineer. At the end of the day, if it is not possible by the doctor, technician, then we have to attend and we have to resolve the issues. It critical or major or minor, whatever it is, we have to diagnose the issues and we have to give the resolution in working condition, right? I hope you got it very clear right now, right? Come on. Now see technical errors of this IABP equipment. See, these are the main points I bring it for you right now. That's why I'm giving this is the masterclass unique way, and this type of live sessions are not available in the YouTube channel. Now come here. Technical errors here in IABP: wrong trigger selection and incorrect timing. That is that time also technical error come in. See every error we will see in the display. Okay, and loose connections and improper zeroing of pressure line and using wrong gas, not helium, and software system errors and calibration error. See, that's why I'm saying right way, right person, skilled person need to handle the equipment. Because of if handling not properly, then what will happen? Equipment get a trouble and patient will get a problem. Okay, that's why if I share these all informations, if you get a point through my live sessions, every biomedical engineer definitely will be safe in your life. Okay, and at the same time you can do perform your job also, and don't escape from your job if you are interested, and try to focus and try to learn it all things and try to engage my live sessions. Definitely it is going to big platform in the society, my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for 12 lakhs views purpose public. Now come here, what are the parameters typically? See, parameters, what are the possible and what are the things need to connect the patient. While connect the patient, what are the parameters we can see here, IABP. Come on, I will show you and I will tell you everything pin to pin. I'm going to show you right now. See, come on, listen to carefully, serious. Okay, right, come on. And parameters of the typical see here, what are the parameters we can see on the display of the IABP? Augmentation, okay. Next, mean arterial pressure map, okay. Diastolic pressure, systolic pressure, ECG heart rate, and trigger source, ECG pressure, and helium pressure, okay. These are the parameters possible to see. Where display of the equipment, where display, where, see, I will show you right now. Display where? This one. So here these all parameters we can see. Okay, after connect the patient, we can monitoring and we can provide the treatment and we can give the mechanical sources by using the IABP. These are the things. Okay, here see, if you find out, see all ECG as a respiration. Okay, so all thing SpO2, so all parameters here visible because of we have to know the condition of the patient. We have to monitoring. So that is the proper treatment going or not. We have to be careful and we should be alert. So that purpose here everything display available and every high low alarms will come. Then we can find out by visiting, by listening the alarms and by watching the display. Then we can get many more informations. Okay, right? As a biomedical engineer, we are the technical persons. We should be careful. And these all things. See, as a biomedical engineering, see, as a state regional manager, I'm operating state level operations. I'm giving the instructions to all biomedical engineer. So that's why in this way, if I give the information in my live sessions, definitely of people I'm going to cover. Okay. I hope please engage my sessions and definitely very, very interesting, right, topic, right? Because of hard work is very, very important. Everybody dedicated to enjoy the life. Okay, but what I'm saying, first to focus on your work and first to do your job. Next, first you get a great job. First you have to lead a great success, then enjoy the life. Okay, life will call you, enjoy the life. Okay, up to there you have to do hard work, right? Come on. Now what are the parameters here? See here, typical parameters I have shown here. It is visual right now. See here. So these are the parameters after connect the patient by IABP medical equipment. These are the parameters we will see on the display. Okay. Now come here. What are the parameters and standard high and low alarms? The very, very important topic. See here. Till now, what I have explained, every point at any different situations, it is going to record. Okay, because these are small mistake. If you don't know, then you will be trouble and it will be going to be a very dangerous situations in your job. Sometimes you have to leave your job also if you don't have any idea about the medical equipment. That much criticality also available in private hospitals. Yes, that's why what I'm giving, these please try to listen and see here. Parameters, standards. See till now what parameters I have explained now, and what are the standard parameters and those values. Okay, high value and low value, because of whenever low value comes, then you have to know what is the low value of the IABP equipment. Then you come to know, you will be alert. Okay, yes, you see, these all things. Biomedical engineering not doing all things. Understand? Technicians will be there every time they will operate. But as a biomedical, if it is not proper parameter not coming, then if you attend the call, then don't try to escape. Just communicate, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. I'm biomedical engineer. I got a complaint for IABP, sir. What problem you face, sir? Politely you ask. Okay. Next, step to step, think, analyze, and these all things. If you keep in your mind, then you will give the advice, and you can do the troubleshoot within time. Right? Yes. Come on. I hope you are listening right now. Now, like my channel and subscribe my channel. Whoever engage new persons, please subscribe my channel, my dear engineers. Right, come on, come to the point and focus on what I'm saying. Parameters see here. Standard value and low alarm and high alarm. See, I'm going to read out now. Depend on parameter, what are the parameters will be there, what are the specific standard value. It is very, very important to keep in your mind right now. Okay. Now see here, I will take one parameter, see here, augment. Okay, augmentation. For augmentation purpose, standard value how much? 80 to 120 mmHg and see less than, see this one, see here, less than 80 mmHg to or greater than 120 mmHg. These are the basic parameters, and try to keep in your mind whenever you face the interview time also they will ask you. And diastolic pressure, see here, I'm taking one parameter, IABP equipment. Here, see diastolic pressure, 50 to 90 mmHg, and see here, less than 50 mmHg and greater than 90 mmHg. And systolic pressure, see here, 90 to 160 mmHg and less than 90 mmHg, and C greater than 160 mmHg. Okay. So next, come to the one more parameter, mean arterial pressure. I hope you are listening right now. Yes, yes, come on. So these all the points very very important. But my voice is very clearly. I think. See, please keep watch my channel and try to subscribe my channel right now. Okay, right? Come on. And mean arterial pressure see 60 to 100 mmH and see less than 60 mmH and greater than 100 mmH. Okay. Next heart rate see here. This is the parameter of the IABP heart rate 60 to 100 BPM. Okay, beat per minute and less than see 50 bpm and greater than 120 bpm. These are the parameters try to keep in your mind. These are the very very important points to face the interview and to awareness about as a biomedical engineer. Okay, because this based on standards you have to confirm what is the condition of the equipment and what is the condition of the patient. You can give the clarity without waste of time, right? And helium pressure see here, helium pressure cylinder how much, 800 to 1 to see 1200 psi. Okay, next less than 600 psi low alarm and high alarm what, greater than 1400 psi. Then you have to understand by seeing this alarm, then you have to be alert and then you should be take precautions and to recover the solutions, right? I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers, right? Let me continue. My dear engineers, right, come on, these are topics I have explained here. See, very, very important topics I'm going to discuss and I'm going to see. These all topics are, if you engineers, if you think about this topic, sir, what sir, Ganesh sir is going to give you live sessions like this. If you think like that, then see, now I'm talking this way, IABP. IABP as a biomedical engineer, what are the topics you are facing in your life as a biomedical engineering in different situations? We got a complaint from the hospital. So every time we have to catch the point and every time try to resolve the issues, then only will become a master of the medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. Okay, that is my intention. That's why I'm giving all information. Try to catch it all my part. Now come here. Gas cylinder. What are the C? Gas cylinder available. So what are they? Okay. Now I'm going to see here. See, gas cylinder where in IABP means what? Helium gas. Yes. So helium gas. See, helium, high pressure helium gas cylinder fills the balloon or inflation. Okay, inflation purpose this helium gas we are using in this equipment. Okay, and common cylinder size what, D size. Okay, next pressure what, 1800 to 2200 psi approximately. Gas helium, not oxygen or not air. Okay, this is very very important. Before connect the equipment we should be careful because of after connect the equipment it is going to vary and it is going to give the different functions. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly by biomedical engineers. See, that's why see this equipment is very rare and very expensive, and this is many engineers, even senior engineers and technical specialists also may not have any idea about this equipment because of this is the specific restricted and qualified engineer only leading. Today, why I am capable to give you all informations because of once upon a time as a biomedical engineer I worked in this equipment and daily regular basis cylinder time next catheter testing and everything every time we faced and many multiple problems we faced as a biomedical engineer. That's why today I bring it for you this topic right now. Okay, that's why in every live session different topics I'm going to give you daily 9 p.m. with unique topics and that is very compatible if you compare to the other channels. Okay, right, come on, why need gas? Listen to carefully. So these all things, so what I'm giving information, see, these all information you have to question in your mind. Whoever biomedical engineer focusing on a successful way, that engineer, if you are interested, okay, if you are interested engineer, then definitely yes, I want to become a biomedical engineer. I want to become a IABP equipment specialist. So depend on your ambition, you should be go through on it. Okay, we should go through on it because of that is very very important. Every time is cannot back it. That's why every important time is very very important. You have to take care about your life, right? Now come here. Now why need gas, my dear biomedical? Listen to carefully. Let me continue. In this maximum topics I have explained and how much I have explained and that much still remaining topics will be there in this live session. I'm going to explain here, right? Now come here. Why need gas? Okay, in IABP medical equipment, why need gas? That is the question. Okay, helium is non-compressible and light provides quick inflation and deflation purpose. Gas required. Okay, have you got it right now? See here. I hope. See here. Helium is which purpose need gas? Helium is non-compressible and light provide quick inflation and deflation purpose. It is very very helpful gas. Okay. I hope you got it right now in this question. Right, come on. Safe, non-inflammable and stable performance and essential for effective pumping action. For this purpose, helium gas is choosing for this equipment. I hope yes. Right, come on. Let me say, listen to carefully, my dear biomedical engineers. As a biomedical engineers in hospitals about the IABP equipment, what are the preventions? Okay, preventive maintenance points. Now I'm going to show you right now. See, these all things single day not possible. Understand? Different years, multiple years of experience in biomedical engineering. I have focused all things. I have dedicated all things. Those points I'm going to escalate here in my live sessions. Okay, right. Whoever engage my live session seriously, definitely very informative point, and you will get a great points through my live sessions, and you will become a biomedical engineer. Yes. Let me continue right now and see as a biomedical how to do PMS in IABP mission. Okay. Number one point, visual inspection of console cables and connectors. You have to check it. And second point, check helium cylinder pressure and for a leakage. And third point, check power cord, plug and battery backup. And fourth point, check display keys and alarm indicators of the say IABP equipment preventive maintenance time. And preventive maintenance time, fifth point, see here, verify ECG and pressure signal accuracy simulation. And see, check alarm functional high low. And seventh point, see here, check tubing connections and catheter interface. And the eighth point, see here, cleaning and disinfection as per protocol. And ninth point, software version check if applicable. And 10th point, record all observations in PM log. Okay. See, these all informations. Why I am giving informations? Because of see, when connect the patient, we cannot do anything for the medical equipment that is IABP. So when you do the performance preventive maintenance time, then you have to check it all things once because of yearly twice thrice, okay, thrice half yearly or yearly we will do the services for the biomedical engineering equipment. That's why once if you do the preventive maintenance excellent, definitely that equipment lifespan is going to high. We can give the best performance to the service patient. Okay, right, come on. Now these are the points, please try to keep in your mind, and these are the points very important as a biomedical engineer you should follow. Okay, if you do all things at any situations, you may not get problem in IABP equipment as a biomedical engineer. Okay, what I'm giving instructions for to all biomedical engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Next, see here, application, see here, application, see here. So where we are using this equipment, understand, in cardiac ICU support and post MI support, pre and post cardiac surgery, high risk angioplasty, and bridge to recovery and surgery, and support during weaning from CPB. Okay, see, these all things you may not understand because of technical words is a doctor way, but if you engage daily, definitely will get a great point about this session. Right, now come here. What are the advantages of the IABP equipment? See, these are the points. What are the points, important points I'm going to share with you all. Please listen to carefully what I'm saying here. And these are things very important to know and try to keep in your mind right now. Okay. Right, Kima, my dear biomedical engineer, listen to carefully what I'm giving information very strictly points. If you pay the lot of money also, you may not get it all things. Okay. Right, come on. And advantages here, what are the advantages of IABP? Okay. Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump equipment. Okay. Now, number one point I'm going to show you and I'm going to read out now. Please listen to carefully what I'm saying. And improves coronary perfusion advantage and reduces afterload and increases cardiac output and buy time for recovery and relatively easy to use temporary and effective support. For this is the most important advantages. Okay. In every equipment, disadvantages also have. I will tell you right now. See here. Okay. Disadvantages what? Invasive. Okay, it is a invasive because we have to place on the catheter we cannot fix directly because we have to invasive only, right? And risk of bleeding and limb ischemia and aortic injury rare and infection risk and not for long term use. Okay, these all things depend on technician doctor. If they do operate well, then everything will fine. Okay, everything advantages fine. Whenever not handling properly by the technician doctor, then patient will get suffer and many problems will come. Then we have to attend the biomedical engineer there. Okay, biomedical engineer is the boss of the hospital. That much capability you have, and that much performance you should give, and that much communication you should maintain. and that much good face value you have to maintain with hospital management. That is the great responsibility. Okay, that's why I'm saying, see, job is not only to earn money, to get a job, to get a salary, not only. Okay, because of this is the human related, and this is the very very important topic. That's why I'm going to give you all information. So every type of every topic what I'm giving, those all topic definitely for every biomedical engineer very very important. Okay, right, come on, take it serious and try to focus on your skills. See, whoever want to become a good biomedical engineer and survive a long time, then you have to focus on every medical equipment as a biomedical engineer. Then focus on every day, step to step. Try to learn all things and try to get it great things, right? So these all things till now I have explained. See, presentation. Okay, in this live session what I have given, IABP purpose, these are the basic informations I'm giving, and next slide I'm going to show you and I'm going to explain the internal parts of the IABP missions. Because of, see, IABP mission means, you see, if you see this one, these are the only parts you, if you see this one, then you don't fix like that. Okay, for your understanding purpose I'm giving here information, these are things. And if anything major issue will come, then how after open the equipment, what to do, what are the equipments will be there, you have to check it and you have to be perfect and it should be clarity, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Now come here. See, till now what I have experienced, everything points I have shared here, but one important point I want to share with you all. Listen to carefully, biomedical engineers. Real time hospital experience, biomedical engineering view. IABP is a life-saving device in critical cardiac patients. Regular monitoring, timely troubleshooting, and proper maintenance are very, very important. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. This sentence is going to dedicate you all. And a helium leak and timing issues and catheter kinking are most common in hospitals. Close coordination with cardiologist and ICU team is essentially for best patient outcomes. Okay, so here I want to say every biomedical engineer should engage with doctors and in charges, HOD and hospital management. Very very important. That is your big responsibility. Whenever you get a complaint, you cannot imagination, but by proper communication we can resolve the many issues without attending the complaint also sometimes. So that's why then what happen, you can do perform multiple way, right? Now see, my advice to all of you, listen to carefully here. Understand, listen to carefully what I'm showing here. Good positive, it is visible right now. See here what I'm going to see here, my positive advice. Always remember, okay, behind every IABP there is a patient's life. Understand? Very, very important. You should be careful. Okay, my dear engineers, what I'm giving instruction, this is the very helpful senior biomedical support. Definitely my live sessions, many more people's engaging. Okay, very useful. Right, come on. And your knowledge, quick response, and regular maintenance can make a big difference. Okay, keep learning, stay updated, and be responsible. And quality work save life. Okay, believe your confidence, believe your duty, believe your work genuine, and try to become individual way. And because of every biomedical engineering is the individual performance, then only will have a bright future, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. So till now these all points I have explained here. This is the one slide section completed. Now we will go and see, first of all, these all points I have explained here in this live session. So in first slide, successfully many important topics shared here, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. And summary IABP at a glance here. Cardiology equipment and helium operating and diastolic inflation and systolic deflation and see improves coronary flow and reduce affected. Okay, that is the reduce after load. See, completely IABP which purpose, for cardiology, means heart related purpose, heart related issue, any issue, inflation deflation time, this equipment is going to use and is going to provide the proper treatment and to recover the patient. Okay, right, that's why I'm saying in biomedical engineering lots of equipments are available depend on our organs. We have a different topics and with different equipments in this science technology. That's why I'm giving information. Why? Because of lot of information will be there, and at the same time nowadays competitive society, that's why skill is very very important. If you perform very well, you will get a great job, you will get a great experience, right? Okay, now come here, next slide I'm going to show you right now. See, so technical part I want to show you. See, come on. See, in my live sessions, I want to give the full clarity about the medical equipment, because of many biomedical engineers or students, they may not have any idea about the medical equipment and about the biomedical engineering session also. Okay, so that's why I bring it for you all to give the proper explanation by dedicating my valuable time, 1 to 2 hours. This is going to okay ending, right? Come on, now 1 hour completed. 9 o'clock started. Now 10:05, 1 hour successfully completed. And next slide I want to show you. See here, this is the slide what I bring it for you. These are the very very important topics. See, these all points, if you listen, if you understand, every point definitely very very important in your day-to-day life, right? Let me explain all things whatever I bring it for you. Because of whoever interested, please try to engage, and whoever engage in my channel, please subscribe my channel first of all, my dear engineers. Okay, right? Come on, let me say and let me explain all things. See, these all explanations very very important for every biomedical engineering, and these all things very very important. Nobody give you in this way. Understand, sir? I am not this information not no need for me, sir. If you think like that, but sometimes if it is very very useful, then that time nobody available in front of you as a senior. That's why if I provided in this live session, definitely will get a great knowledge about the medical equipment. In this way, multiple ways, I will give you presentation, different equipments. I will bring it in different live sessions. Okay, daily 9 p.m. live session is confirmed. Okay, right? Come on. Now let me show it is visible right now, my dear engineers. This is the second slide. What I'm going to give you presentation. This is very very interesting topic. What I'm giving information. This is very very important topic, and this is not available in the. If you ask, see, if you are a biomedical engineer, if you ask any doubts in front of your friends, whatever it is, they are not able to say you, because of they may not have any idea experience about the medical equipment. That is the main reason. Okay, biomedical engineering is the excellent, but you will get a great resources from your seniors, other person not possible. Okay, that's why try to engage and what I'm saying. And this live sessions is going to record in my playlist, nothing to worry. Okay, whoever not able to join in this live session, nothing to worry. Many point, every point I'm going to give you live session is going to record in my live session. Now come here, I want to show you right now. See here, it is audible my voice, right? Is it clear? My dear engineers, my dear students, my dear freshers, my dear technical specialists, whoever engaged in biomedical engineering services, listen to carefully what I'm saying. I'm talking with you all, Ganesh, State Regional Manager as a biomedical engineer. Now I'm going to read out now what I'm giving the presentation here. It is visible and it is audible to hear you what I'm saying here. Let me continue. See here, cardiology department equipment. IABP Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump. We are till now, see, till now what we are discussing about that IABP equipment purpose. We are discussing all things. Now we will discuss about now internal parts. What are the things? These are all points I'm going to show you, and I'm going to explain all things. Definitely, it is very very helpful in your work area. Okay, right? Come on, try to engage right now. Now see here, these are the here important parts is different and important functions also different, and here everything related to the IABP equipment. Because of IABP is the expensive and critical equipment, it is very very expensive because of minimum price is 6 lakhs to minimum 20 lakhs plus high expensive available depend on companies and make model, that those things. Okay, what are the companies available in the local market? I will tell you, I will show you at the end of the session, then you can get it. Okay, now technical view. See here, I want to show you as a technical biomedical, see, technical review and internal view, electrical and electronic components. See, these all components not possible to see all things as a biomedical engineer. Okay, if you are working in a hospital, these all things not possible to see. Very rare conditions, because of we should not do any entertainment in hospital, and we should not do any play or arguments in hospital, because of our first intention what, to provide the services, to take care about the patient, and initial and response is very very important. The approaching is the very very important. Okay, that's why human being as a biomedical engineer, we should have a ethical knowledge also very very important. Understand, because we should be a profession here. Next, what is the importance of life? Sometimes we have to leave the ego also. Understand, we should leave the ego and unnecessary like behavior, attitude, those things we should leave from our profession. Then only we can do our job. Okay, now come here, let me show you, let me tell you one by one what I'm saying here. Listen to carefully and see. Equipment overview, see here. Technical review and internal electrical electronic components, we will go. Before that, I want to show you technical overview. I want to say, see, IABP is a temporary mechanical circulatory support device. You should be careful. You should be keep in your mind what is the importance of IABP, why needed. There are 3 points you have to keep in your mind, and what is the functions and operations you have to keep in your mind. At the same time, every point you have to keep in your mind within fraction of seconds. You have to give the performance in your work area. That is the difference between senior biomedical engineer and normal biomedical engineer. That is the reason higher senior is getting high salary and junior getting low salary, and many options and opportunities everyone have. Whoever interested, whoever focus on skills, whoever have a great skills, whoever have capabilities, definitely they will get paid too much. Okay, right, come on. Now let me say equipment overview and see. It increases coronary perfusion and reduces afterload, and balloon is positioned in descending thoracic aorta and controlled inflation during diastoling and deflation before systole. Okay, completely cardiology department equipment. Why I'm saying, you can get it after my explanation. If you engage my lessons, if you engage my live session, definitely you will get it point right now. Yes, yes, my dear engineers, my dear students, listen to carefully what I'm saying. Today, what you are dedicating here, valid points, are very, very important sessions. Now, system block diagram, see, for your knowledge purpose, I bring it for you, but I'm not giving any explanation. I want to show you here. I'm going to read out because of this. In this topic, I'm going to talk, I'm going to cover all points, very, very important. So try to get it all things, because of here, getting information is very, very important, or basic information is very, very important to run your duty, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me continue. Keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel. And ECG pressure input and signal conditioning isolation. Okay. Next to pressure sensor, microcontroller timing control and display keys and interface and alarm system, and see power supply AC to DC SMPS and drive circuit and solenoid valves and inflate deflate and balloon catheter. Okay, this is the block diagram, but systematically schematic diagram basis. If I will bring it to when further coming live sessions, I will give you a proper explanation, because of I have a plan 1000 plus live sessions, means starting sessions I'm going to conduct master classes for every medical equipment, every situations of the biomedical engineering management, and like different ways what I have experienced in my life. Okay, right, come to the point right now. Let me say, and here I want to say, see, what are the important points I'm going to read out and I'm going to show you right now. See here, before I have explained important points, but here see what are the important points here. These are depend on internal parts, important parts and functions. I'm going to read out and try to listen. Okay. Now main components. See here, components and functions. Before I have explained what in this live session. First slide. They're only parts. Here only components when you open the equipment. Understand? See, when you open the equipment, you should be careful. You should power off and you should switch off and everything. Then only by using technical, then only you have to open. Because of wrong mishandling anything, it is going to be a big issue. That's why as a biomedical engineer, don't create the problem and try to resolve the issues. If you don't have an idea, try to engage with the seniors and try to learn all things, then practice. Okay, right, come on. I hope you are listening right now. Yes, come on, listen to carefully. I will show you. See, component and function, what are the things I will tell you, because of you have to know these are things, basic information. If you know, then you can do, you can operate, and you can do the services as a biomedical engineer. You will get a confident by engage my live sessions, I hope. Yes, yes, come on. And display and control PCBC here. Function what? So parameters and waveform settings and controls all operations. Okay, you have to keep in your mind what I'm saying. And display what doing? This is the show parameters. Okay, waveforms in the display. Next what? Main control PCB what will do? Processes signals and controls timing of inflation and deflation. Okay, every component functions. If you know, then you will be clarity and you can give the performance, and within less time you can be a perfect. So these all informations I'm giving means what? These all informations as a biomedical engineer you have to go. Okay, whenever you get a complaint, then you get you can resolve, attend, finish, means never you can grow your career. Understand? That's why if you want to become a specialist in medical equipment, then you have to go through in this way. Okay, so see, multiple years of experiences what I have in my life, those things in single live session 1 to 2 hours I'm giving means that much opportunity you have all peoples, right? Right, come on. Now see here, power supply SMPS here, convert AC to regulated DC power all circuit. This is the very, very important component. If you take any medical equipment, not only IABP, in every medical equipment, SMPS is the very basic point. Why? Switch mode power supply, it function what? AC to DC generated pilot, high voltage regulated voltage power supply. Yes. Why? Because of instead of the equipment, every boards are available, components are available, and those PCB boards completely manufactures and placed low specifications of the electronic components. For electronic components functioning purpose, activate purpose, it is using SMPS. Okay, that's why it is converting big game changer. Okay, right. Come on, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying. Right? Is it clear my voice? Is it audible, my dear engineers? And whoever engaged my live session, please give me comments. And I hope you are getting very clearly right now. Yes? Yes, come on, let me continue. Helium solenoid valve assembly, see here. Controls helium flow or fast inflation and deflation. Okay. Here completely you have to observe inflation deflation purpose only. This equipment is going to connect the patient and different functions. We are going to apply and we are monitoring the patient, right? Come on. And inflation valve, see here, allows helium gas to enter balloon or inflation. Okay, inflation valve function what? This is the allows gas only. Next, see here, deflation valve what will do? Releases helium from balloon from deflation. Okay, as present pressure transducer what will do? This is the component. And see, that's why I'm saying these all things whenever you have a problem with IABP equipment. First of all, you have to check the troubleshootings, all things and power supply and catheter and settings and proper cylinder is not or not, cylinder helium gas available or not, low pressure, high pressure, everything pin to pin, you have to check it all things. Then still if you have a problem, okay, still error coming, then we have to check inside of the equipment what are the things important. Those components I'm going to say here. That is the important things I'm giving this explanation here. Okay. I hope you are listening right now. Let me continue. Come with me. Now, sixth point, see here. These are the component deflation value. Okay. Releases helium from balloon from deflation and pressure transducer. What will do? Senses arterial pressure for triggering and monitoring and battery backup DC. Okay. Battery backup was direct current. What see here? Provides backup power during power failure. This is the very, very important as a biomedical engineer. While do your PMS, preventive maintenance time, you have to check the battery by using your multimeter, how much voltage is coming, battery is discharging, charging, everything is fine or not. If it is not working, don't compromise. Try to inform to your management or hospital management. Definitely you should replace within 1 week, within 2 weeks you have to replace if you have. Otherwise, this because of this is a very high critical equipment, these spare parts not available unique way because of those equipment manufacturer companies only provided. I am also recommending to use that original space. Okay, right, because of reliability of service is very, very important, because life saving equipment we should not compromise here. I'm not recommend also that type of, right. Come on. Now 9.8 filters here. Filters incoming helium gas and before entering system. Okay. Here main point you have to check it as a preventive maintenance time. Filters, batteries, okay, power supply and physical conditions and this helium gas cylinder. Those all things you should be careful because of preventive maintenance is very, very important. Understand? If you do these services, then hospital believe you and they trust your skills. Yes. So that's why why I'm giving these all informations. In this way, you have to focus your career, then you will have a bright future in your life. Nobody stop you because of this is a ocean. How much you want to swim, that is depend on your capability, depend on your skills, you will grow your life, right? That's why I'm giving you all information. Try to take it positive way and try to get it all things to do. Okay. Now see here. Patient line port and connection to the balloon catheter and trolley mobility and equipment support. See, I hope you got it very clear right now. See, main components and functions till now explained in the IABP internal components. Okay. I hope you're listening right now. Is it clear? My voice is clear right now, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. See, here I am giving explanation very, very systematically, very patience, and very clarity and very valid information I am giving here. Okay. So if you strictly follow, definitely you will get more information. See, I'm giving information 100%, but if you want to become a specialist in this here, by engage my live sessions and try to enter into job and practical job and practice. Okay, practical life practice also very, very important. If you are a biomedical engineer, you engage my live sessions means that is not enough. This is only basic platform to improve your career. Okay, see, every day I have crossed all designations, and as a biomedical engineer, every responsibility I have done, I have participated, I have proved, I have implemented in my life. So those things today I'm leading as a state level regional manager. So that's why every instruction is very useful to all biomedical engineers. My instruction is definitely very, very helpful to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right? Come on. So these are the things till now I explained. Right now I hope you got it very clear. Right now, my dear engineers. Now come here. Internal view main parts inside console. See, console, where is the part? This is the console. See, console I have shown here IABP when open backside of the equipment. Okay, this is the console part. Here monitor part also available, display part, that is near part is, that is console part. I'm going to show you. And with level parts I'm going to show you very clearly. See here, it is very, very important topic I'm going to show. See, this is all for information purpose, because of as a biomedical engineer, if you are working in hospital also, this much opportunity you may not available. Okay, easily not possible to open the equipment also. So but I want to show you all things, because of many times I open the equipment along with original equipment manufacture time. So that time, every time I engaged and what are the things are there, so I come to know. So this much important, that's why we should be alert and we should be awareness. As a biomedical, we should approach in time whenever get a complaint from the hospital. I have decided, and today I'm leading all things. Okay, right? Today I'm capable all things means because of, see, multiple experiences we have to use in a multiple way. Definitely these are live sessions very, very useful in your life right now. Yes, come on, let me show you first of all console part of the IABP equipment internal part. See, here I'm not saying anything about make model. See, depend on manufacturer, depend on make model, it's going to different variations. But what are the parts I'm going to show you internal view, those parts regular IABP equipment regularly available. Okay, so these are things why I'm going to show you, and I'm going to read, because of if you see the picture then you can understand the parts. Because of as a biomedical engineer, we have to find out the issues and we have to find out the equipment, what is what, we have to check it out and we have to resolve the issues. That is the major responsibility of the biomedical engineering services purpose. Today I'm giving valuable information. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. Be spiritual mind, be unique mind, then only will get it all. Okay, these are the very, very efforts, great effort. Not easy to become a biomedical engineer, not easy to get a good salary in biomedical engineering. Okay, even sometimes if you get a job, then you have to serve a long time. Today I have completed 18 years of experience in biomedical. That is very challenges, different challenges I have faced in my life, and different opportunities I got it, and different positions I lead in my life. Okay, so that is everything. I'm going to give you all information, which purpose, with positive awareness purpose, awareness the society purpose. Nowadays biomedical engineering opportunities are too much. That's why many engineers, many students should have awareness about this field, because of it is the excellent field. When I come to know in COVID-19 pandemic situation time, I faced that type of situation. That time I feel proud of myself. Yes, I did biomedical engineer, I can save the life. Okay, complete world. Okay, stop. But biomedical engineer runs that day. That is the healthcare. Okay, that's why I'm giving proudly. And come here. Let me continue right now. Come to the point right now. Inside by internal view, main parts of the internal console. See here, IABP. Here, everything label parts. I'm going to show you. Please try to listen. These are the, see. That's why I'm saying 1 to 2 hours. It is live session. And see, live session I'm giving clearly because of it is going to record in my live sessions in my playlist. The whenever you possible, you can watch it my live session. Okay, by based on title, everything I will provide right now. See here. Now internal view main parts inside. See here, I'm going to show you. See here, it is visible right now, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. What we are talking about, that IABP equipment, that is cardiology medical equipment. IABP, intra-aortic balloon pump. Okay, Now come to the point. Let me say internal view main points of inside console, and see everything labeled here. We open this cap of the console. Now display and control PCB see here. Okay, and see main control PCB microcontroller and power supply SMPS and helium solenoid valve assembly here see. Okay, next inflation valve and deflation valve and pressure transducer internal see components are there, and battery backup 24 VDC and air filter, and see has helium inlet port see here, and patient line connection port and trolley base wheels. We see what is the purpose of this internal views. If you saw this, what is the purpose? If you question me like that, okay, so that is the important way of learning is important, understand? That's why I'm going to give you all information without missing. So if you know these all things, then you can get it clarity. Or yes, IABP this equipment, because of one time Ganesh sir explained in a live session, that is very okay. I remember. So that type of awareness purpose I'm giving here, because of basic platform is very important for every biomedical engineering. Globally, hundreds, thousands, lakhs of engineers available, but this type of live sessions not available in the social media. That's why I have decided to give you all informations, and whoever upcoming biomedical engineers, every part sessions it is very useful. Okay, right? Come on. I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me go inside our next electrical and electrical components view details, how look like, and what is the important points I'm going to show you right now. See here. See, sir, by engage these live sessions, I will be a perfect. Yeah, sure. Definitely will become a perfect. But that time, dedication is very important. Understand? If you dedicate very properly, if you keep efforts in a possible way, definitely will get a great positions in your life. Every problem has a solution. That's why I'm going to try to give you all explanation. See, in this my live session, these all things I'm explaining means I'm focusing on biomedical engineering services purpose. That's why in this way I'm explanation. Okay. So for this IABP equipment, if you think like a doctor, that is different. Okay. Because of how to connect the catheter and what is the condition of the patient and what is the position of the patient, how to keep and where to we need to replace the catheter. Those all things are the responsibility of the doctor. But I'm talking here as a biomedical engineers. Okay. Let me show you right now. Come on. It is visible right now. I hope you are engaging. Whoever engaged my session, please subscribe my channel, my dear engineers. I am giving you respect all and giving the valuable informations. Right, come on. Is it clear now? Is it clear right now? See, try to get it all information by engaging my live sessions. Electrical and electronic internal view details see here. In this, see, this is the electrical and electronic components. What are the parts I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show see here. Okay, for your analyzation purpose, I'm show you, because of when you think about the IABP mission. Okay, console parts are there, electronic components will be there. Then you may be concentrate. Okay, whoever interested about this topic, you want to become a specialist, then you have to go through in this way, right? And see, come on, let me say whatever things possible to see and everything. I will show you right now. Right, come on. Electrical electronic components view details of the IABP. See here. AC power entry modules here. How much? 100 to 240 VDC, 50 or 60 Hz. See, these are the parameter very important. You have to keep in your mind, because of whenever you have a problem, you have to check it. What are the specifications you should know? Understand? Right. Come on. So see here next EMI filter noise reduction. Okay, EMI filter which purpose? Noise reduction purpose. Next here SMPS power supply how much? 24 voltage DC or 5A amperes output. Okay, and DC to DC converter what we 5 VDC DC and 12 VDC. See, these are depend on internal components of the parameters. That is only it is going to functions. Okay, that's why I'm saying these parameters it is going to be vary, but these what I'm giving here informations, those are the basic informations of the IABP requirements. Okay, right, come on. Now main control PCBC here, microcontroller based. Okay, in every medical equipment, microcontroller it is that is because of we have to operate the software, everything we can to control the system. Next, signal condition ICs. Okay, amplifiers, filters, and relays and drivers here for valve actuations and solenoid valve connections and inflation and deflation and alarm buzzer, audio alert and connections and harness for sensors and accessories. See here, you have to know as a biomedical engineer what you should be perfect on all electrical parts. What are the electronic components devices and what are the functions? For that purpose, I have given in the previous sessions very clear information electronic component for 3 live sessions. Definitely will get a great point and keep watch my channel. Okay, because of this is the that is why I'm saying biomedical engineering career is the like a ocean. Multiple ways if you learn, if you focus, then only you will catch a successful point. Okay, right? Come on. So I hope you got it very clear right now. So successfully I have explained right now. Come on. Biomedical engineers, I hope you got it very clear right now. These are the, say, what I have explained here. Internal parts, main parts I have explained, and internal electronic components I have explained here. Next, main components. Next, come here, accessories. These are the important points here. Listen to carefully. What are the important points? See, if you know these all accessories, what are the accessories of the IABP? Then you come to know, and it is very, very important. See here, as a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. IABP, see, accessories. I'm going to read out now. Listen to carefully and watch my live session. Then you can get in more clarifications about my content. Right, come on. IABP catheter, different sizes will be there. Depend condition of the patient, depend condition of the procedures. We have to take, right? Okay. And pressure monitoring cables. Okay, ECG cables, IABP cables will be there. And see, ECG cable and power cord and a helium gas cylinder and gas connecting tube and regulator and user manual and trolley or stand and spare fuses and service toolkit. Okay, these are the basic accessories of the IABP. Okay, I hope you got it right. Here, as a biomedical engineer, what will provide? Okay, what ECG cables and pressure cables and power cord. Okay, and see, and helium cylinder and gas connecting tubing regulator. Okay, and trolley stand and spare fuses and spare, these all things provided by the biomedical engineers. Here, IABP catheter, whenever patient admitting, then patient will charges by the hospital management. Okay, these are the accessories you should know and you should keep in your mind, because whenever get a problem, see, when you get a complaint from the hospital, that time patient may have problem, otherwise accessories may have problem, otherwise like what equipment also have problem. Okay, that's why where is the problem we have to find out, you have to observe. That is the very, very important challengeable task. Then only you are the skilled engineer or not, it will be proved there. Okay, right, come on. So I hope you got it, many points here in my live session. Now come here, electronic components and the specifications, what are the things, these are the things very, very important to know as a biomedical engineer. Okay, see, these all things I bring it for you, I procured all things and what I have experienced in my life, those all things I'm giving explanation, means why this much efforts I'm giving. Because of, if you watch my session, if you engage my session, if you engage my live sessions, you will get a great future. That is the great achievement in my life. Yes, because of I have achieved many things, what I have ambition in my life, everything I have reached my ambitions, and tomorrow upcoming targets I will keep, and I will go and will catch it. I will try to learn all things, and whatever I have things I will try to share with my live sessions, right? That's why whatever I'm giving dedications, please listen to carefully. Now come to the point right now, IABP equipment, electronic components and specifications. So what are the important things? Now see here, component, electronic components and specifications. When you come to the components here and typical specifications, microcontroller points, this is the component, and I have shown here only in this live session. Now typical specifications, what will be there? See here, 32-bit ARM and 16-bit MCU. Okay, these are the regular specifications. It is the very, very important to keep in your mind, because of when you attend the interviews and when you do the performance as a deep level IABP equipment, then these are the informations required. Okay, and see, power supply SMPS, how much? Input 100 to 240 AC, 50 to 60 Hz, and output 2424 VDC 5A. Okay, these parameters depend on the internal components of the device. I hope you got it very clear right now. So in this way, if I'm giving live sessions, it is very useful or not? Yes. Whoever interested and whoever thinking about deep knowledge purpose, definitely this live session very, very excellent. Okay. Now DC to DC converters here, 5A DC or 3A, 12A DC or 2A and plus or minus 15V DC. These are things, these are the specifications inbuilt of the equipment. And display here, 7 inches TFT LCD and 800 or 80 resolutions. This one depend on your choosing the equipment, make, model, manufacturer basis. It is going to visibility. And valve type, see here 24 VDC solenoid valve, right? And see, if you know the specification, then you come to know the check the condition, because of sometimes you find out the issues, so then need to replace the components. Then you should know the specifications, and you should know the values of the equipment. Then only you can find out the issues, and then you can replace the equipment as your biomedical engineers. Okay, right? Come on. Now come to the point. Pressure transducers here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully, my dear freshers, my dear students, whoever engage my live sessions, 12 lakh views, people, please try to engage my live sessions. Definitely will have a great future. And pressure transducer here, 0 to 300 mmH accuracy, plus or minus 1%. And battery, 24 VDC for 4, 5 to 7 hours, and backup of 30 to 60 minutes. And helium supply pressure here, you have to keep in your mind, because of helium is very, very important. And see, I have given these all informations. If you don't keep any point, no problem. But this helium gas pressure is very, very important, because of it is going to finish daily cycling process time. That cylinder will be going to low, high, and completely also. That's why you should be careful. These are the bar is very, very important. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, helium gas means you have to keep in mind what, 1800 to 2200 psi. Okay, there when you see the cylinder gas, there mention how much capacity available there. You have to check it. Okay, right? Come on. And see how to manage and how to operate the cylinder also very, very important, because of it is a cylinder, it is going to be a big blast also, something happened. That's why that this is very, very good, but not inflammable. Okay, that's why we are using this equipment, helium gas, for this deflation inflation for this device, right? I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying. I'm very clearly talking, yes or not, frequently or fluently? Yes, come on, try to engage right now. And now come here, operating temperature, and see 10 C to 40 C, just humidity see here, 30% to 75-degree RH non-condensance. Okay, these are the very, very important. Try to keep in your mind electronic component specifications. And see, whenever if you want to learn anything in medical equipment, then what are the important points about the medical equipment, you have to catch the point. Okay, those things I bring it you all in my live sessions. Definitely these are all the very valid points in your life. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on, let me engage, and many points I'm going to share with you, because of today live sessions, 2 hours, 9 o'clock started. Now how much time? 10:37 is going to. Okay, definitely I will finish right now. I will definitely 100% I will try to share with you all points, pin to pin. Right, come on. Gas system helium here. So till now, see, in IABP equipment, the gas is the equipment very, very important, because of the it is the resource. Okay, to provide the system functionals, because of by using the deflation inflation purpose, this is the gas is important. If gas is not available, then we cannot use the equipment. That's why I'm saying what is the importance of medical equipment, and what are the things. If you know these all things, that's the basic things. As a biomedical engineer, if you know, then you will be alert, and you will be more interactive with your work. Okay, right? Come on. And now let me say, come here, what I'm giving here presentation regards here, it is visible right now. Here, see, gas system helium. Okay, come on. Gas used what? Helium. Okay, He. Next, cylinder pressure 1800 to 2200 psi. Okay, low and high. And purity what? Medical grade. See, greater than or equal to 99.99%. Okay, because see how much variation. This much accuracy is very, very important, because of it is very, very depending on this gas only. That's why here no compromise. Understand? Because of here live monitoring to the patient and live going to the treatment directly. That's why very careful before connect the equipment what I'm giving instructions. That's why if I sharing this information, you will be safe by engage my live sessions. Yes, come on. And see, helium is non-compressible and allows rapid inflation and deflation, and connected through regulator and filter to console. Okay, these are the gas system parameters. And come here, why need helium is needed? Understand? Please keep in your mind. These are the important. Sir, we have a different gases in the society, in the atmosphere, but why we are selected for this only? Question. Okay, question. Because of every time you have to question yourself, then only you will get your doubts and you will get your resources. Then you have to get the resources and you have to communicate with your senior. Okay, life is very very important, not easy to get it all. And that's why, see, I'm giving information means you should be a professional way. I hope you got it very clearly, my dear engineers, my dear students. Understand? Right, come on. Now, why helium is needed in IABP equipment? Why helium is needed? I'm going to say, come on, listen to carefully. Why helium needed? Low density. Okay, it's the nature of the helium gas. Low density and non-inflammable and high diffusivity, no bubbles, and ensure fast response. Okay, that's why we use this helium gas in this IABP equipment. I hope you get it. I hope you got it. Right, come on. Now come here, very important topic, very important topic we are discussing. That is cardiac medical equipment. Now come to the important point. What I want to show here. See, IABP safety precautions. See, every equipment as a biomedical engineer, we should protect ourselves and we should protect the devices and we should protect the patient and we should protect the equipment users. That is our great responsibility. Okay. That's why we are studying well and we are studying, we are doing qualifications, we are doing graduations and we are doing experience and we are getting experience. Why? Not only to get a salary, not only for money. Okay, money is one of the resources to survey our life. Okay, but these all things very very important to success in your life. Yes, come on, let me say what I'm saying and try to engage here. Safety precautions here. Use only medical grade helium. Okay, before connect that you have to check it. It is good or not, because of here don't compromise. Gas is very very important. If you think compromise situations, then you have to pay purchase more than equipment, more than problems, because the patient will get in trouble. Patient if once get trouble means that some situations patient going to die also. That's why don't take risk, and whatever I'm saying, try to follow in your work area. Definitely you will be safe. Yes, come on. Now safety precautions IABP here. Let me say, use only medical grade helium. And see, these are the see symbol you have to know. Yellow color, see, it is the dangerous symbol. It is very very important in every medical equipment. When you see this is a symbol. Okay, this symbol you have to fix. Okay, this is the alert. Okay, that time what happened, you should be alert and you should not touch the equipment before checking all things. Okay, without proper diagnosis you should not do any experiments. Come on. And check collections are for leakage. Okay, check all connections for leakage and ensure correct catheter size and position under x-ray TEE. Okay, avoid kinking or bending of catheter. Okay, these are the major things happen because of sometimes pharmacy department only, then they will have a problem. But that's why before receiving the catheter, then you have to check it all things as a technician. The technician, cath lab technician will be there. That cath lab technician, cardiology technician, whoever operating the IABP and cath lab, those technicians definitely they will take care about this precautions. Okay, some maximum they 100% they will have these all things. Then only they will keep. They will appointed in this function. Okay, IABP technician purpose they will have should these all skills. But at the same time, as a biomedical engineer, we are weekly or twicely, okay, monthly 1 or 2 times you have to go to the cath lab and record IABP and wherever available in this equipment in cardiology, whatever wherever it is. Then you have to check it and you have to communicate with technician and department in charges and HOD and try to give these safety precautions. These are the very very important to everyone. Okay, because see why I am giving these all information such a biomedical engineers, because of see a biomedical engineer not only taking care one equipment, understand, lakhs of equipments taking care by the biomedical engineers and hundreds of calls for the hospital we are receiving from the hospital and to provide the services by assigning the engineer. Yes, so that's why I'm saying multiple performance you have to do in your work area. For that purpose, if you provide the user training to the hospital area, definitely you can perform multiple things. That is the proper organize your work, and proper planning is very very important to in your work. Okay, please keep quiet and please close the door and please what I'm saying listen to carefully and These are the very, very important topics I'm going to share here, right? Come on, come to the point of safety precautions here. Do not use if balloon is damaged, leaking. Okay. See, when you see the catheter and when you see these all things, then you can find out the condition of the catheter. Next, see here. Do not block exhaust port. Okay. And keep away from moisture and dust and ensure proper grounding of equipment and follow hospital infection and control protocol. Okay. I hope you got it very clearly. These are the safety precautions because of after you face the problem, if you know these all things, then what is the use of these all things, safety precautions? Yes. So that's why today what I'm giving information, those all things very, very important. Okay. See, these all my live sessions before attending complaints. If you know very well, then you will be safe and you can perform very well, and you will have a great experience in your work area. Okay. That's why in biomedical engineering services, you should be careful, you should be professional, and you should be disciplined, and you should focus on your work. Okay. Don't delay, and because of nobody observing you, then if anything you are doing also, that is not possible to consider. What I'm saying, understand? Right. Come on. Next here, do not block exhaust port and keep away from the moisture and dust, and ensure proper grounding of equipment and power hospital infection control protocol. See here, I want to say one more point I want to add here. See, this equipment, this is the critical equipment, high expensive equipment, definitely in UPS connection is very, very important. Understand? It is UPS connected or not, you have to check it by using the multimeter. You can check it. Then both terminals facing earth, facing neutral, and these all things, if you check it, then definitely will get a point, right? Then if you found anything, then don't compromise and immediately inform to the hospital management. Sir, this is the high-end equipment, but they are connecting the raw power supply. Because if anything problem, then what happen, patient will get shut down. Okay, patient will getting suffer, and patient equipment will getting shut down. So that's why very important, these are the precautions to follow before touching the equipment, before provide the services. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. Come on, now come here. Now in this very important topics here, every time I'm giving a very important. Why? Because of these are the things not available in the society. Even biomedical senior engineers may not have an idea. So many engineers are not available. For you all people, awareness purpose. See, if you are a zero also, I don't say anything. I don't come give me comment also. Okay, I don't focus anything. Everything is possible, my dear engineers. Okay, try to keep it positive. Try to try to communicate with your seniors, excellent seniors, and try to be interest in biomedical engineering. If you are not interested, you cannot do survey long time. Interest is very, very important because of every time nobody ready to give you spoon feed of. If you are interested, then if you do your work, then automatically that the work will give you great experience. That work will give you more skills. If you are interested, okay. Right, come here. Now one more point I want to show you. I want to give you explanation regarding this IABP equipment, and every point I'm going to give you explain. That's why today 1 to 2 hours it is going to occupy. Okay, right. Come on. Now working electrical flows here. ECG pressure signal is taken as input. Okay, signal is conditioned and sent to the microcontroller, and microcontroller decides timing inflate in diastole and see deflate before systole. Working electrical flow, I am saying. Okay, before working functional flow I have explained. Now here electrical flow how look like, because of as a biomedical engineer you have to think in a technical way. Okay, because of see doctor thinking is different and the engineer thinking is different, and nursing thinking is different, and technician thinking is different. Understand? But biomedical engineering thinking is unique way, powerful way, and that is empathetic way, and that is what problem solver way. Okay, because ultimately we can use the equipment. Once if we get a complaint, then we cannot throw the equipment because of it is very expensive, and we can replace and we can repairable. Understand? Right? I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. And let me say right now, working electrical flow. Now, third points here, microcontroller decided timing inflate into diastole and deflate before systolic. And fourth points here, working flow electrically. Driver circuit activates solenoid valves, and helium, fifth points here. Helium inflates or deflates the balloon. And sixth point, pressure transducer monitors and arterial pressure. And seventh point, data displayed on screen with alarms. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes. See, sir, you are giving live sessions to 1 to 2 hours, sir. This much long time, sir. That much I may not have time, sir. If you question, okay. If you think like that, I'm also thinking like that. But I have selected daily sessions is very very important, because of whenever you are getting opportunity, whenever you are awareness, when you are interested, really if you are interested about in this equipment, then definitely you keep watch my channel seriously, okay? Because of this is the live sessions, very powerful sessions, very important to lead your career, okay? Right, come on. Now see here, helium inflates are the deflates in the balloon, and pressure in transducer monitors arterial pressure and data displayed on screen with alarms, okay? These are the points relevant what working electrical flow. Here you have to observe Ganesh sir why he is giving explanation this much. Because of I love the teaching and I love to provide the valuable information, because of today when I was a junior time I have faced many problems. That's why upcoming juniors should not have a problem, because of by provide my engaging live sessions, definitely you have to focus your career. Okay, because of everyone's life I want to give you a brightful knowledge, and in which way you are using or not, that is depend on your hands, that is depend on your ambition, right? So here what I'm giving instructions, try to listen it carefully, and these are things very valuable points I'm going, okay? Now come here, alarms types, and like see here explanation here, different types. See in this live session, different ways I'm going to give you explanation, because of every point is very very important. Different situations you are facing the problem. That's why these are problems. These are all things single time not possible. Okay, because of one the daily procedures. See in hospital, corporate hospital, if you work in lot of years, okay, because of in corporate hospital I have worked 10 years. After that, I will went to the private hospitals, next government hospital, next to BMMP. Okay, total 18 years of experience in my life. So that's why that much years I have spent in my medical field. That's why today I'm capable to give you all information, because of every point is very very important. Yes, yes, come on. Let me show you. Let me finish right now. See, low pressure, high pressure. Okay, these are the alarms and the causes will be there, and deflation fault and trigger error and catheter leak and system failure. Okay. See here, not I'm not repeated my topics, because of every type. Here different way I'm giving a point about the alarms. Okay, you can see here causes and indications. You will get it. Okay, is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Right now, see. Listen to carefully. Here I am giving all presentation means these are the practical informations. I'm giving information because of I'm giving presentation to make you understand. Okay. In the society, different types of engineers, different types of attitude peoples, different types of category peoples we may have in the society. That's why in multiple way I'm giving in this presentation. In which way you are taking my channel, definitely will get a great useful. Okay. Right. Come on. Now parameters here, I have explained this one. I no need to explain, I hope. Next, come on, regular problems also I have explained. Next, trolley I want to show you. See here, this is the trolley of the medical equipment, that is IABP. Okay. When you open these all things, then you have to find out this is the trolley of the IABP mission. Okay. I hope you got it very clear right now. Right. Now come here. I want to show you at what situation you use IABP. See here, listen carefully right now what I'm saying. Cardiogenic shock situation we have to use this equipment, okay, and acute myocardial infarction complications, and high risk PCI and angioplasty, and low cardiac output syndrome, and bridge to cardiac surgery, and failure to win from CPB. Okay, these are the situations we have to use the IABP condition. Okay, these are the situations will declare by the doctor. Okay, right, come on. So applications I have explained, advantages I have explained, and disadvantages I have explained, I hope. Next, why need skilled person? See here in this way, these all things real practical way. What I got valuable information, those are things I'm going to show in my live presentation. Yes, I hope you are listening my voice. This much long time not possible to attend my live session, I know, but whoever interested, definitely this is very very important. Okay, whoever interested and watch my live session, definitely whoever watching for that those engineer purpose, definitely very deep information is Ganesha provided, then you should be there. You have to think like that. Okay, right, come on. Why need skilled persons here? Correct timing is critical, or patient safety is very, very important, because see, that's the important. See, as a biomedical, why I'm saying all things, because of in critical area you are working in hospital, understand? You are working in hospital, and patient is critical condition, they are believing you should be a instant provide the health provide service, because of by watching the equipment, by watching the complaint, by watching the message, by watching the errors, you have to resolve the issues. That's why I'm giving information. If you engage my live sessions, definitely you will catch many points. Okay, these are the right. Next, see here, proper insertion and positioning required, and to manage alarms and complications, and to understand high hemodynamics and risks, and for emergency troubleshooting. These are the very, very important points. So I need skilled persons. Okay, right? Come on. And if connected, how much time? Okay, for this purpose I have explained. For connected purpose, not maximum time, minimum time, not have specific time, because of up to recovery the condition of the patient, we can connect the equipment. While during the connection, then we have to check the all equipment completely. Monitoring is very, very important. There helium gas is very, very important, because if it is going to over after cyclings, after connecting some periods of time, that helium gas is going to over, because of helium gas is limited available in that cylinder. Okay, that's why my advice, cylinder, helium cylinder gases, you have to keep one standby, right? Because of we should have a proper idea, right? Because of how much because of 800 to 1200, 2000 to 200, like that much PSA will be there. Okay, that is depend on condition of the equipment, depend on manufacturer, we will be declared, right? So till now, see, these are I have explained right now successfully, 100%. I have shared the valuable information. So these are in this way. Nobody give you like a valuable and excellent successful live sessions. Yes, I have got it very clear right now. So how is my live sessions? Please give me comment, and I want to know your comments also, because of I want to interact with you all peoples. And especially I'm giving this much dedication means because of 12 lakhs views reaching my YouTube channel. That's why very excellent supporting. That's why I'm very happy, and I'm very excited to give you all information what I've experienced in my life, right? Come on. And see, today also, see, everyone engineer, learners. Okay, learning. Okay, practice, implement, and try to share your skills with your juniors upcoming bright future purpose. Okay, right? Come on. Now maximum points I have shared here. Now come here, how to connect the patient. I will show right now. Next slide. I want to show you right now, because of this is the very, very important. See here, because of see here in practical life. Okay, in hospital patient side, how look like, because of see I cannot bring that equipment right now. As understand. Okay, but that purpose everything I bring it for you, because of we are in the ICU. You have to think. Okay, that is there. See here, if you see this picture, then see they here you can understand. These are the picture means what we are in the ICU. And see here how look like, how connections will be there. IABP you can find out. See here clearly right now. See here IABP Intra-Aortic Balloon Pump, for your example connection purpose, for your awareness purpose, I'm giving here. Here see Macbeth company. Okay, what are the companies available in the globally? So in the society, what everything I'm going to show you right now. Okay, now come here. How connected to patients in hospitals here. This is the patient bed. Here patient not available, because of those are the confidential things. I'm not ready to show you all things, because of in a hospital area we should be confident, and we should be confidential things which not any escalate in social media. Okay, because we should be professional, and we should secure our job also, right? And see here my disclaimer, I am not sharing anything official matters, anything whatever needed, those things I am sharing here. Understand? As a biomedical engineer, as a citizen of the society, what needed for every biomedical engineer, because of awareness is very, very important to every biomedical engineer. Only senior biomedical engineer can give. Okay, that's why I'm giving here, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Please keep watch my live presentation here. You can watch it here. How look like, see here. See, this is the IABP mission and monitor display area. This is the console area. Okay, complete console area, and See, console area, if you open the caps, then you can find out backside of the equipment. You can find out many equipments what have sewn in the inside parts of the IABP. Okay, these are the see IABP see cylinder look like IABP. See here. Okay, helium cylinder gas is this one. That's why this is the very important, because of based on this helium gas cylinder only that equipment is going to function, right? So I'm going to read out now what are the label parts here. See, you can see here. First of all, here ECG cables here. Is it visible right now? This is the ECG for ECG triggering purpose. Okay. For your knowledge purpose, I am giving here. For you, if you get a knowledge, then you will get a great experience in your life as a biomedical engineer to provide the services as a biomedical engineering. Now come here. Balloon catheter. See here, inserted through femoral artery and advanced to descending aorta. Okay. These are the arteries. See here. Okay, these are the arteries when we connect to the patient, how look like. For sample purpose, I'm showing here. Next here display, so ECG pressure, waveform, alarms and parameters. This is the IABP. Okay, we are observing only here how connected to the patient in hospital, how look like in a practical way. For your assumption purpose, for your understanding purpose, I'm trying to educate you all peoples. Okay. Next, pressure lines here for aorta pressure monitoring. These are the pressure lines, how look like. That's why I'm saying these are the very important, because of direct live monitoring, live treating to the patient. Okay. Now, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on. Now, I want to show you. See here. Here, see. IABP connections overview. See here. Balloon catheter inserted through femoral artery and catheter tip positional in descending thoracic aorta, and console inflates the balloon with helium gas, and ECG trigger ensures inflation diastole and deflation systole, and improves coronary perfusion and reduces cardiac workload. Okay, so that's why very recommended skilled engineer, very important. Skilled technician is very important. Understand? Very careful, because of here patient life death matter, and life saving and death matter performance. Okay, so I hope valid point I am giving here. And benefits here, benefits: increase coronary blood flow and decreases afterload and decreases cardiac workload and improves cardiac output. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now. It is visible right now. Is it visible? Now come here. How look like see balloon catheter positions here. How they are keeping. See. Okay. For your knowledge purpose, I'm giving education purpose. I'm giving here. I hope you will get it. Okay. Now see here. Number 1 points here, balloon catheter positions here, aorta arc. Okay, this is the what inside part you can see here. This is the what catheter. Okay, and aortic arc and descending aorta and balloon and diaphragm, abdominal aorta. See, this is very important. This is very critical. That is the That's why I'm saying these are the information. To know the information, very important. Now, balloon tips here should be 2 to 3 centimeters below left and subclavian artery. See, these are all technical terms, doctor terms. They will know, they will handle the patient. Okay, these are all things performance by the doctor only. Technician will be there to help the doctors, assistant purpose. And here, not biomedical engineer not available, because of whenever getting problem to equipment purpose, then only biomedical engineer available. Okay. Now, working principles here: inflation system diastole how look like, and deflation system how look like. For you understand purpose, I'm going to show here. See. So till now I have given more explanations, but if you may not understand, then if you watch my live sessions, if you engage, if you watch this picture of this one, then you can understand that is inflation diastole working principle how look like. See here. Understand? Inflations here how look like. If you see the picture, then you come to understand what is the process. And balloon inflates and in diastole, okay, increases diastolic pressure and improves coronary blood flow. Okay, this is the very important to protect our heart. Understand? Right? Deflation systole see here. Actually, mostly catheterization where will happen? In cath lab only, mostly 90%. Okay, it is available. Cardiology department, definitely IABP equipment available. If you go to the cardiology department, once try to visit and try to check it all things, and once approach the technician as a biomedical, sir, I'm a biomedical engineer, sir. Recently I joined. I want to know how to check the IABP equipment. It is possible. Okay, then they will give the idea, but depend on your communication. Definitely they will support you. And starting situations, you have to communicate with the technicians because of they have a great experience more than you, because of they are experienced person. They are practiced practical way, and they are giving live sessions, live practical performance. Okay. Now, I hope you got it very clear. See here, inflation and diastolic and deflation and systolic. These are the functions. See, based on function of the heart how diastolic and systolic pressure. Because of BP, we will check how diastolic systolic pressure only. We will check it all things. That is the reason. Yes. Now, come on, balloon catheter. How look like? See here. These are the very sensitive, very delicate things. That's why very important. And these are the very protective area. These spares also provided by the hospital management. They will provide the pharmacy specialist will be there. Okay. Now balloon inflatable parts. See here. These are the real look like catheter. See here. Till now, every time I'm going to say it, catheter. Because of in equipment, catheter is important because of it is going to close to the patient instead of the part of the inside organs of the human body, right? And see, that's why equipment is functioning one way. Okay, by connecting all catheters and whatever things, everything parameters try to collect from the patient and try to show in the display. I hope you got very clear right now. See here, what I'm showing here, it is clear. Is it clarity for you all people, for your engineers? Yes, my dedication is very valuable or not? Yes, thank you. Now see here, patient connections points here. Where the points? Patient connection points is here. Picture you can find out here. But see, this is everything. We should be a professional. Okay, professional important because of in medical field we should be a professional. Why? Because of as a human being we have to see all things. That's why as a human being we have many feelings, but we have to be a professional. We should do our job. We should protect the life of the patient. That is very important. Okay, right? Come on. And insertion site per femoral arteries here where keeping, because of dependent condition of the patient, dependent on procedures they will apply the catheters. Okay, now sterile technique must be followed and secure the catheter properly, and regular site inspection is very important. Okay, these all things doctor will do. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. So these all things, see, for sample purpose, for your understanding purpose, I bring it for you all peoples. And many way I have explained in my live sessions. Now IABP console screen example, see here how look like. See, understand in multiple way. I'm giving explanation. Definitely will get a point. For your learning purpose, great patience is important. Great ambition is important. Great interest is very important. And great efforts also important in a right way. Right, come on. IABP console screen example, see here. ECG parameters here, it is visible. IABP we can see because of these are the parameters. Why, sir? Because of we provide the helium gas, everything, and we are cathetering, providing, and it is functioning. Then what is the functioning? We have to monitor the patient by using the display. We have to check it all things by connecting all connectors. Okay, ECG. Okay, see here. Okay, IABP, and these all the parameters and how much parameters and how much values it is shown on the display. And helium, okay, alarm off. These all things. See, these all things for your knowledge purpose. Based on this image, based on these parameters, you can confirm the patient condition of the patient. That patient is properly treatment receiving. Then you can find out. Okay, that is that everything will do by the doctor's inspection. Okay. Next important points, try to listen. See here. Correction position, effective support. Okay. ECG trigger, proper timing, and helium gas power for balloon. Okay. This is the very important what I'm saying here. And helium gas power for balloon. Okay. Next, regular monitoring patient safety and alarm management and early detection. These are the important points of the IABP. Okay. Till now, what I have explained every point based on my real-time hospital experiences successfully. I have explained here. I hope you got it very clear right now. Now, come here. Tubing connection diagram. It is very important. Listen to see here. This is the tubing connection diagram. I want to show you how look like. In your practical way, not possible to see because of these are the very protective infection control system. Okay, SOP, based on SOP they will use, and they will not ready to accept the touching. Okay, now see here IBIP consoles here. Here the tubings are there. Okay, pressure line to patient, and blood line, helium line to balloon catheter. See how connecting. Okay, catheter, see balloon catheter here. For this balloon purpose, helium gas is important. Okay, inflating and deflating purpose, this is very very important. Understand, here bubbles also not occur. That is the reason to use this helium gases. I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. Now see, 9 o'clock I have started. Now 11 o'clock, 9 p.m. Okay. So successfully 2 hours completed and successfully multiple topics regard IABP regarded. I have explained very well. I am very happy. And whoever engaged my session, please subscribe my channel and give me comment. This much great efforts purpose, definitely one like will be there. Okay. Right. So successfully these all points I have explained right now. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, my dear engineers. So I am going to this presentation because of successfully I have completed about what? Cardiology department medical equipment, that is IABP. With patience, excellent patience, I have explained. Now, in this live sessions, what we have studied, what we have educated, what we got the very valuable point. First of all, is basic equipment of the IABP and what are the things and different situations and technical errors. Okay, so many topics I have explained one slide session. Okay, one slide. And second slide, if you come to the slide presentation, then internal components and internal parts and everything, I try to explain all things because of these are the basic informations to every biomedical engineer, right? If you go in this way, technical way, nobody, okay, nobody follow you, nobody disturb you if you follow on technical way. Okay, that's why if they want to distract you, then they should follow this all thing. That much capability important, that much dedication is important more than you. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, and how connected the patient here, practical way I have shown here, and complete multiple way I have explained. And today successfully completed the live session about the cardiology department equipment, that is IABP okay, intra-aortic balloon pump, right? Yes. Thank you so much and keep watch my channel and give me comments and I want to interact with whoever giving the messages. I will see now because of as per given commitment before end this session. Now session is completed. I am going to and show these see these comments. Okay, right. And please give me comment whoever engage. See, today successfully we have completed the live session. Okay. Tomorrow, what will have a upcoming live session I want to show you. Right? Because of see, today successfully completed live session. Tomorrow I will come 9 p.m. There separate unique point I want to show you in my YouTube channel, and you have to check it my channel. You have to search my channel. How to search I will show you right now. Okay, right, come on, I will show you right now how to check my YouTube channel in my YouTube, Google. Now first of all you have to go to in Google section. I want to share now, share right now. Wait, come on, whoever new engineers please to engage because of many people are searching, many people are thinking we need great support from seniors sir, we need sir, like so many people giving comments in my live session. You have to go in this way. Okay, you have to go first of all here and check it here. Google Ganesh, 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 SBME, a special advisor, SPCI special advisor. It is a C coming right now and enter. If you are using laptop, then enter. Then if you are mobile, then you search and see here. Now here I'm going to show you how look my channel and how it is visible in my YouTube channel live sessions. Now see here, now I'm in live. So if you go to my channel, then you can find out here. This is the live circle. It is going live means you have to understand. Okay. Now see, if you want to see here, home page only it is visible because of live is going present live sessions. If it is going, then if you like look like see here, see Yes, you will get it right now. Your engineers. Yes, come on. So see here. Here you have to subscribe my channel. Next you have to and you have to keep all notifications. Okay. That then only whatever I'm uploading and whatever I'm giving instruction, definitely every notification coming to your mobile. Now this is a live going. Okay. So now I'm giving explanation here. Now come here. These are see here different types of videos about the biomedical engineering services. And videos, long videos also available, depend on specific functions, specific valid topics I have given. Okay, valid points I'm giving in the experiences. And whoever new join, so if you want to know the journey of the biomedical engineering, I have given. Okay, like come here. When you come to the live sessions, understand, every day if you want to engage my live sessions, my advice is what? See here, live sessions here. Now you have to scroll. See here, this is my live session. Now today, see here, this is the IABP live is going here. It is visible. Now tomorrow live sessions here. Interact with all medical engineers. Whoever have doubt, just to bring it for you. Okay. You have doubt in your life as a biomedical engineer, try to collect it and try to engage my live sessions and try to ask all things. Okay, right? Hope you got it very clearly. Hundreds of live sessions I have completed, and definitely these all valuable information. It is very useful in your biomedical engineering services. Yes. Right, come on now. I want to stop this session right now because I've successfully completed right now. Yes, come on. Right. My advice is what? Before enter into the biomedical engineering, that is great patience is important and great ambition is very important. Great dedication is important. Understand, daily learning is important. Here we are the learners. Every day we should be a learning new topic and implement and practice and do your duty and implementing in your work. Okay, implement in your work life. And that's why today I'm also doing as a state level regional manager. I'm responsible. I'm taking, because of in my duty time I'm not doing any entertainment about any other activities. I'm focusing on my duty. So that same you also, you should do your duty for you by engage my live sessions, my expectations. Okay, that's why I have chosen my time after done my duty. Now come here 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, that is my personal time. I'm going to dedicate and I'm going to give you valuable informations which is necessity to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right? Thank you so much and keep watch my channel, my dear friends. And tomorrow upcoming live session, be engaged. And tomorrow what upcoming live sessions I have shown here, I hope you got very clearly, right? Jai Hind. I will come back again and keep smiling on your face and have a bright future. Engage my live sessions. Thank you so much.